Grok 4 versus ChatGPT. Which AI is actually better for you? Today, we will compare them head to head on speed, reasoning power, and real world use cases with real examples. So you can decide which one fits your best. Let's go. Both Grok 4, made by XAI, and ChatGPT, made by OpenAI, are advanced AI assistant. Grok 4 is built into X, it is fast, witty, and feels like chatting with a clever friend. ChatGPT is more polished, versatile, and works across apps, APIs, and plugins, more like professional partner. Now, let's have a speed test. Example. If I ask summarize today's top 3 trending news in one funny sentence, Rock4 instantly fires back something like ChatGPT takes a few seconds longer but gives me clear breakdown with context. So if you want quick and witty, Grok wins. For detail and accuracy, ChatGPT is stronger. Example. If I ask why is the sky blue, Grok 4 might say because sunlight scatters and blue light spreads more. Simple short done. ChatGPT walks you through rarely, scattering, light wavelengths, and even why sunlight looks red. For deep explanations, learning or problem solving, ChatGPT clearly has age. Grok for examples. Need a witty reply to a tweet about Monday blues? It will instantly suggest something like Mondays should come with a snooze button for life. Want a one-line summary of Elon Musk's latest post? It will give you a quick clever snapshot. ChatGPT examples. Ask write a Python code to scrap weather data and plot a graph. It generates usable code. Ask draft a 500 word blog on organic farming. You get a structured draft with intro, body, and conclusion. Ask plan a 3-day Paris trip with cost. You get day by day itinerary plus budget estimates. So which is better? If you want fast, witty, and social replies, Grok 4 is your pick. If you want serious reasoning, coding help, or retail content, ChatGPT still leads. Think of Grok as your quick, funny friend. ChatGPT is your reliable all-rounder professional. And that's Grok 4 versus ChatGPT with real-world examples. Which one would you actually use every day? Comment below. Grok or ChatGPT. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI breakdowns. Thanks for watching.